Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Before we start, I want you to understand a few things which are very important. Your skills and experience matter the most to you. Check yourself in which field you have expertise. Based on what you can target to earn online. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Try to improve on your weakness and focus on your strength. Set a target. Make a complete plan that is how your approach should be, and what is required in order to achieve your target. Make sure you don't give up without trying. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video, if this video can benefit others. The first way to earn money online is by providing services. If you're a graphic designer, video editor, language expert, writing expert, or any kind of skill set you hold, you can offer one or more other services on Fiverr. You can register on Fiverr and try your best to match and work on the skill set which you hold and you can offer to your client or customer. Practice before you start. Create Fiverr gig for the skilled service you are going to offer. Upload sample images of your work or any if you have. It shows the client or customer you are skilled and innovative. Keep it simple and attractive by writing your gigs a detailed description. Use the right keywords, and make sure you do some research on keywords before you finalize your gig. The second way is by teaching online. Now, you may think, is it possible to teach online? The answer is yes, it is possible to teach online, and it is not only to kids, it can be a teenager or grown-up to old. Since COVID-19, many things have changed. If you're in the teaching profession or you have a strong knowledge to share, you can start teaching. Teaching skills are considered very important in any aspect. Offering teaching in different ways. Subject-wise online teaching for kids and teenagers. Course or strategy-wise to grown-up to professional. You can also register online jobs for teaching. If you want to start teaching online, this will be one of the best options. The third way is by affiliate marketing. The reason for affiliate marketing is that it offers valued content and is easy to promote. You need to see which platforms are good to promote your affiliate product link. Make sure you select the right platform and niche which are in demand and can be promoted. To earn a commission for sales made with your affiliate link. Register with well-known affiliate programs as their reputation has great content and you can target the right keywords and other SEO. To drive the audience to your site or link. If you want to earn online, the below links are given in the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.